Hello over there, and welcome to the show. I'm going actually to a swap meet and filming what I see, and if there's anything interesting in particular, I'll try to film it. Well, there's a local swap meet that happens, I think, yearly since 2007. It's mostly motorcycle related, and well, there isn't really many tractors part sellers, but that isn't the point. There's a lot of interesting stuff to film, and I'll see what I can cover, and be sure to stick around to the end because who knows what you may find. Well, I guess this swap meet is finally over because it started to pour rain and really hard, and I don't have a rain cap, and people are leaving, and I think this is gonna be the final closure of this video. I hope you like what you saw, and in the description, the place and area where the swap meet will take place is being recorded. So if you're interested in coming here and seeing this for yourself, uh, you're welcome. Uh, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you all in the next videos.